Meaning of insider.
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 Insider. The term insider typically refers to a person who has access to privileged or confidential information within an organization. This person may be an employee, manager, shareholder, or other individual who has knowledge of the inner workings of the company. Insiders may use this knowledge to gain advantages such as knowing when to buy or sell stocks, or to advance their own interests within the organization. However, insider trading and other unethical behavior are generally prohibited by law and can result in severe legal consequences for those who engage in them.